Today, we're working on a toilet tank, and I'll show you step by step how to replace an old or broken flush handle. This is a quick and easy DIY project that anyone can do. Step 1. Shut off the water supply. Before we start, turn the shut-off valve clockwise to stop the water coming into the tank. Then go ahead and flush the toilet to empty most of the water from the tank. We want it as dry as possible before removing any parts. Step 2. Remove the old handle. Take a look inside the tank. You'll see the handle arm connected to the chain and flapper. Unclip the chain from the lever arm, and note which hole it was attached to. Usually the middle hole is the sweet spot for most toilets. Next, unscrew the retaining nut that holds the handle to the tank. This nut usually has reverse threads, so you'll turn it clockwise to loosen it. Once it's loose, remove the handle assembly completely. Step 3. Install the new handle. Now grab your new handle. Insert the new lever through the hole in the tank and thread the retaining nut on from the inside. Remember, this one tightens counterclockwise. Just snug it up, don't over-tighten. Align the handle so it sits level in the front. Step 4. Reconnect the chain. Now reconnect the flapper chain to the middle hole of the new lever arm, same as before. You want just a little bit of slack, not too tight and not too loose. This ensures a smooth flush every time. Step 5. Check the flapper and water level. Before turning the water back on, quickly inspect the flapper seal. If it looks worn, cracked, or doesn't sit evenly, you might need to replace it next. For now, it looks fine, so we'll continue. Step 6. Turn the water back on. Now, slowly open the shut-off valve counterclockwise and let the tank fill. Watch as the water rises. It should stop right at the fill line marked inside the tank. Give the handle a test. Smooth action, solid flush. Perfect. Check around the tank for any small leaks, especially around the handle nut and the fill valve. If everything's dry, you're done. You've just replaced your toilet handle like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next plumbing DIY. We'll be tackling a flapper replacement next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.